want to tell everybody a secret. I really like to go to coding class
Good.
with teacher Jacqueline.
Wow. Really, 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 really?
Of course. I learned many amazing things. Do you want to see?
Yes, yes, yes. Can you share?
Of course. Can you tell me what is this?
Which one? Which one? Which
This.
one? It's a strawberry.
It's an apple.
Can you show me nearer?
Here.
Okay. Okay. Can you show me one example? Okay.
Can you tell me what is this?
Strawberry.
It's an apple. Apple.
That's great.
Can you tell me
Another
what
one. Another one,
this?
please.
What's this?
Is that one orange?
It's a peach. Peach.
Is it what you doing?
Yes.
You learn that
Yeah.
in the coding class?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Good. So you want to go to coding class this week?
Of course. Do you want to join?
Yes. Okay. See you.
Bye.